बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम दोस्तों, अस्ट्रेलिया को सिर्फ पाकिस्तानी गेंदबाज मोहम्मद आमिर और मोहम्मद आसिफ कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। किस तरह उन्हें दिन में तारे दिखाए, ये वीडियो आप देखोगे तो आप भी दाद दिए बगैर ना रह सकोगे। मोहम्मद आसिफ और मोहम्मद आमिर की तूफ़ानी गेंदबाजी।
Does he hit that? No, says Ian Gould. And Watson is out now, LBW. 6 seconds. That's not far off either. Little bit of bat maybe. Clark saying, no, I don't want to run, and pointing his bat down the pitch.
To say not out. A couple of excellent LBW decisions.
That's close, I tell you. Not close enough for Rudy. Have another look at this. Oh, yeah. Well, it just looked out, didn't it? And a dismissive shake of the head from Rudy Kurtz. Clark's got away with one there. That's how poor he is against the short ball. Don't get it quite right. Then he'll... Ball in, full ball. Clark plays all around it. Very full ball, but this is really good bowling by the Pakistan bowlers. The trio of seamers have got a wicket each now, and Australia 27 for 3.
Reward for a good wicket. Look at that, the nip back again. We saw the first ball shape away, nip away, play and miss. Second ball a bit shorter, play and miss from a cut. This one, straight at the stumps again, some good reward.
Oh, what a ball that was, what a ball. Shake of the head from Ian Gould.
Oh, that's close enough to call. Given he was walking, Ricky Ponting knew that he was dead in front of the stumps. Asif with a huge...
Off balance here, it's hit him right in front of Seamers. That one's come the other way. Good delivery, he always decided to give it as well.
Michael Hussey failing to connect this one. And what? Possibly going down the leg side. A goal with a theatrical appeal, convinced to walk up.
That's a lovely shot, straight back up the ground. There's a bit of a slope here.
Oh, he's got him now. So it's vindicated, isn't it? First test wicket for Umar Amin. Marcus North nicks it through to the keeper, playing at a wide ball, little bit of movement.
What a position Pakistan have found themselves in.
Job to do here. Oh my goodness. Oh, down the track and a whip through mid-on.
Lendit had every chance of going over the top, but have a look at this delivery, how much it came back. Right over mid-stump.
Thanks, David. Good afternoon, everybody. Here we go. Afternoon session. More swing. Ball, first ball. Bit of inside edge, bit of pad, but the ball snuck through. Pace and swing and movement from Mohamed Amir.
Terrific delivery. First up after lunch, no loosener. Middle stump gone. Mohammad Amir has picked up his second of the innings. Young Steve Smith goes for 10, 73 for 7.
Oh, magnificent bowling. Goodness me, that's as good as you can get. It's pitch, middle and off and hit off as Johnson looked to hit it through mid.
Look at that ball, shape away from that angle. First ball hitting the off stump.
Oh, inside it.
Oh, that's very close. Might be just safe. It just how long it takes from now. Look how long that takes to get the bails off. It's tight. Oh, I think he might be gone here, Bob. Great piece of work from Cameron Akmal.
9 wickets down, Australia. They won the toss and chose to bat here. The last thing they needed was a run out. But that's exactly what's happened to them. Great celebration. On 17. And that'll do it. He's caught behind, and Australia...
Well, quick runs was obviously the order of the day. Tim Payne didn't quite know where to go. He thought his best option was to back away, give himself some room and hit over the offside.
Winning against Australia after being at the receiving end for almost 5 years. In fact, they last beat Australia in 1995.
दोस्तों, मोहम्मद आमिर एक अजीम गेंदबाज, अपनी उनके सोशल मीडिया सारिफीन तारीफ़ें करते रहते हैं। जबकि मोहम्मद आसिफ की बात करें तो वो तो एक लाजवाब गेंदबाज है और मोहम्मद आसिफ की तरह गेंदबाज आपको दोबारा से क्रिकेट के मैदानों में देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे। दोस्तों, वसीम अकरम, वकार यूनुस और शुएब अख्तर के बाद अगर पाकिस्तानी जोड़ी को देखें तो मोहम्मद आसिफ और मोहम्मद आमिर की जोड़ी इंतहाई लाजवाब थी। किस तरह चैलेंज जैसी टीम को ऑस्ट्रेलिया के मैदानों में उन्हें धूल चटाई और पूरी टीम को सिर्फ 88 रन पर आउट किया।